Hi everyone, it's Liam from Blackpool Automart. I hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this solid red Kia Ceed SR7. Now of course this is a 1.4 litre petrol and it does have LED daytime running lights, as you can see at the front just there. Walking around to the side and coming into these brilliant 16-inch alloy wheels that you do get as standard. I will go into each and every alloy just so you can get an idea of the overall condition and the design pattern you do get on the alloys themselves. But walking around to the rear, we've got 4 rear parking sensors. Of course, moving into the tailgate now, we've got plenty of room in here, including 60/40 split folding rear seats. Coming out and round again, just showing you the rear alloy just here. In the back of the car now, as you can see, we have got the cloth black interior with ISOFIX mounting points down at the bottom. We've got full electric automatic windows all round as well. And then coming into the front of the car, as you can see, we've got a 6-speed manual gearbox. We've got your air conditioning controls down below the stereo. And then within the stereo, we do have FM, FMA, AM and AMA as well. You do also have various media sources, so you've got the CD player, and of course your Bluetooth is enabled in here as well. And you do also have an auxiliary port at the bottom, which is just down there, as you can see, next to the USB port. You can also get Bluetooth hands-free within the screen as well. But moving over to the steering wheel now, we've got your volume controls, we've got your voice assistant and Bluetooth hands-free. Over on the right hand side, we have got your radio select, so your track select, which is this button just here. On here we've got your onboard computer controls. As you can see, as you press the button, it will of course lift up, as you can see. We've got automatic headlights, so standard as well. But as you can see on the display, this car has done 58,602 miles. Jumping back outside the car now, just showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this Kia Ceed SR7, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership and one of our sales team can provide you the personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Automart.